Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. All right, so we're going to start our day off today with our thinking caps. I'm going to put my thinking cap on. If you have one, please put that on because this is going to be a bit of a challenge. All right, we're going to continue with our subtraction, our journey down subtraction lane. We're going to be doing different strategies. Again, we're going to practice all these different strategies, and some work better for us than others, right? We're going to try them all just to see. We want to keep practicing because maybe one that you started off not really liking, you weren't sure about, maybe that one will become your favorite. So you never know. We don't want to give up just yet. Please put on our thinking caps. Now, we have a number of different ways to solve problems, and we're going to do them all today. All right, all the ones that we've learned so far, at least. So starting off, let's get a problem. Everything starts with a problem. Here is our subtraction sentence. It is 15 minus 7. Now, the first way that we could solve this is by drawing a picture. And when I say picture, I don't mean like a picture of a dinosaur or a butterfly in the forest or something like that. No, I mean a math picture. So I'm going to draw my 15 dots. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's my 15 dots. I can take 7 of them away. And when I take them away from these pictures, I circle and cross out. So here's 5. So I'm going to start my circle here. 5. I need to do 7. So 2 from here. 6, 7. Circle these guys. There we go. And now to make sure that they're separate, cross them out. And now my final step is just to count up what is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 left. My answer is 8. So there is my dots. Next up, we can use our number line. So let's check our number line. So we're going to start at 15. We're subtracting, so we're going to count back. So I'm going to jump back and I'm going to count each time I land. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I jump back 7 and I land on 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now, the third way that we could do it is counting on. It's counting on. Even though it's subtraction, we can count on. So when we count on, it looks close to what we just did. It looks very close to what we just did. But there's one difference. Look at this. The two numbers that we start off with, if we don't have the 8, right, we're still looking for that, is 15 and 7. So we want to find the difference. So I start at 7. I'm going to make as many jumps as I need to get to 15. Then I'm going to count all those jumps. So we start at 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop at 15. I've jumped 8 times. My number is 8 there also. Look at that. Okay. Next up, I would like to say that I want to show you how to do this with cubes. But what is the problem with our cubes? Do you remember what the problem is with the cubes? Bigsby Wolf is the problem. He's been taking our cubes and eating them, right? So, unfortunately, I can't show you that right now. Bigsby Wolf, what are you doing here? Mr. T, I've come to return your cubes. What? Really? Yes, yes, I want the kids to learn how to use the cubes and you need them. So, I'm sorry I've been eating them. Thank you very much. Now we can continue with our lesson. Yes, yes, I'll see you later. Bigsby, wait. Yes? Thank you. Thank you very much, Bigsby. It was a great thing that you've done. Thank you, Mr. T. Bigsby Wolf came through, didn't he? Bigsby Wolf came through. We've got our cubes down now. Our problem, once again, is 15 minus 7 equals 8. So let's see if we take 15 of these, if we take 7 of them away, are we going to get 8 just like the other problems? Let's see. Well, there's 10. Let's get 5 more. 3, 4, 5. So here is my 15. Now, we're going to take away 7. right? So I already know that I have 5 yellow. So I'll take 2 more away from here because that's 7. So there's my 7 going away. Now let's see. Do we get 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. So each way that we are doing this, we are getting the same answer. So that is showing us that all of these strategies work. It's just finding which one works best for you. So we're going to try one more. We're going to do one more actually. All right, just like Yoda said, do or do not, there is no try. So let's see. I'm going to do 15 minus 7, but I'm going to draw our tens frames like we've been doing. So maybe some of you out there really like to have our tens frames, right? Maybe, oh, you know what? Maybe I can show you how to do the tens frame. So draw a rectangle and then draw a line to kind of cut it in half. And then you're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines just down like that. Okay, so we're going to start off with 7. 7. I'm going to count on this time. I'm going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, the next step is to get another color for me so that we can tell this apart. So we start at 7. Now I'm going to count on until I reach 15. Here I go. So here's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We made it to 15. Stop. Now, next step is to count the dots you just made. Let's see. Get the glare off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. There you go. So that's counting on. That's thinking about addition while doing subtraction. You can also do it the other way where I'll start off with 15 dots and I'll take away 7 of them. So let me make my 15 dots here. 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to cross out 7 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all of these strategies work. All of these strategies can be used. It's up to you which ones you want to do. Okay? So I'm going to write down just a few problems for you. I want you to solve them today. This is going to be your math practice for today. Now you can use any strategy that you like. I'm not looking for any one strategy. I want you just to find what's best for you, and I want you to use it. All right? Okay. And how about a couple more? We'll do like 13 minus 5. And I'll hold this up, and when you see it, you could press pause and write these down. And if you would like to do it that way, or you can just pause after each, you can just pause it and then do each problem. Okay, I'm only going to do a couple because we've been practicing these. All right, here are our problems for today, boys and girls. 14 minus 6, 16 minus 7, 14 minus 5, 13 minus 5, 17 minus 8, so we're getting a big number there, and 12 minus 4. Okay? Also, for some extra practice, 1 minute math, all right? See if you improve from the last time. All right, boys and girls, thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. Hope you have fun with this math. We have cubes again. We had cubes again. Maybe we'll get some more. You take care. We'll see you soon.